This is the final video to fix the access point temporarily full error in Windows. And if you're also getting blocked from connecting to Wi-Fi because of this message, stay with me because I'll explain why it happens and every easy way to fix it. I'm from Rexist, and I know how frustrating Wi-Fi errors can be. Are you also seeing this error when trying to connect? This usually means the router has hit its maximum number of connected devices, or a network adapter sent a bad request that the router rejected. Most guides online make this sound complex, but the real fixes are simple. When I faced this myself, one quick trick fixed it instantly. First, restart your router. This clears all device slots and lets your PC reconnect fresh. Next, disconnect and use devices from Wi-Fi. Phones, TVs, tablets, and old devices take up slots, so removing a few often fixes the error. Also forget the Wi-Fi network on your PC, then reconnect. This refreshes your encryption keys and avoids the full access point bug. Update your Wi-Fi adapter driver. An outdated driver sends incorrect connection requests, which makes routers think the access point is full. If your router has a device limit feature, open its admin page and increase the maximum number of connected devices. Many routers default to very low limits. Another fix is switching your Wi-Fi band. If the 2.4 GHz band is full, connect to the 5 GHz network. This bypasses the limit completely. The easy trick that worked for me was restarting both the